Wait, because it's in the truck. All the way down. To start putting in the finishing panels. In the kitchen, laundry, and powder room. Because we finished everything upstairs. The 2 vanities are done. So it's only the kitchen.
Pantry, laundry.
No, pantry, we don't have doors.
No doors?
So
Oh,
pantry's open. Yeah. So it's only the kitchen, laundry, and the powder room. So unload and prep, we'll see how much we'll get done today. Maybe just setting up, but we'll see. So last stretch for this project. And we got Kin here helping us with his custom box. All nicely wrapped, corners protected, foam on both sides. And they traveled, a little bit over 2,000 miles to make it here. And they made it safe and sound. So now, unwrapping, we're gonna start dividing them by rooms and spaces. Like in the kitchen, we're gonna put everything that's on the hood wall closer to the hood wall. Everything that's for the island is gonna stay on the island. Same for the laundry room and the powder room. And then we're gonna start doing the side spacers, the crown molding in the kitchen. Then same thing in the laundry, side spacers, crown molding, and we finish with the toe kick everywhere. And then put all the doors and drawers in place. So we'll be done by lunch. Let's get the fuck out of here, let us work.
The panels finally got here from Montreal. They're gonna start paneling up the kitchen, and as usual, everybody's in the same space all the time, because, you know, timelines. So the bathrooms upstairs are already done. We're only missing the hardware, and hopefully by lunch, one day by lunch, this will be done too.
We're doing a little bit of landscaping so that I can fit with my truck, because Ken went in with his fan, but he almost scraped the container and the rocks. And I have more wheels in the back than he does. Place your bets. Guillermo, am I gonna fit?
No.
No? Fuck. Mike, am I gonna fit? Look at that. I'm here to serve.